Welcome to the Scheidenbachmann video tutorial on accessing Intervo on your Amazon Web Services or AWS hosted system. There are a few things you will need before we begin. Make sure to have your login credentials that were emailed to you. You will need a desktop or laptop computer, as well as a mobile device to install an Authenticator app. Need to have one of the following MFA or multi-factor authorization apps installed on your mobile device: Google Authenticator, Duo Mobile, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. If you already have one of the listed apps installed, you can skip this step. In the next step, you'll need access to a computer you will use to access the SMB system. Currently, your hosted SMB system was designed to be accessed only from a laptop or desktop computer, and the user interface is not optimized for mobile devices. From your computer, open a browser and type in the address you see below. This web address will redirect you to a unique web address for each session. That is why it's key to save only the website listed below to your bookmarks and shortcuts. Click the star next to the address bar to add this to your bookmarks. You can rename the bookmark to the name of your garage or location. Because the saved bookmark has the redirected web address saved, you will need to go back into your bookmarks and edit the web address. Replace the redirected web address with the web address listed below. Here you can also change the name of the bookmark. To create a desktop shortcut, go back into your bookmarks list and drag and drop to your desktop. In this next step, we'll show you how to link your MFA to your AWS account. Now use your bookmark or shortcut to access AWS. Enter the username you were provided, usually your first initial and last name. Enter the password you were provided. Click Sign In. If this is your first time accessing the site, you will need to link your MFA Authenticator app. Select the option Authenticator app. You will now need to have access to your mobile device you have your Authenticator app installed on. Click on Show QR Code. Open your MFA Authenticator app from your mobile device and click Add a Code or the Add button. Then scan the QR code from your screen. Now that your Authenticator and AWS are linked, when you open your Authenticator app, you will be provided a 6-digit password code. You can use this to access your AWS system. This code is time sensitive and you may need to refresh the code. You will now be connected to Amazon Web Services. This may take a minute depending on how many people are connected to your site. From this landing screen, select the tab Applications. Here you will see the location you have access to. If you manage multiple locations, they will all be listed on this page. Click on the location you want to access. Click Continue with Browser. Select Start Get Downstream below the SMB icon. You will now be connected to your Intervo parking server. This process will take a minute. You can now use your Intervo credentials to log into your Intervo parking server. If this is your first time logging in, click Allow to give AWS access to your clipboard. From here, you'll have full access to all your Intervo application modules. Once you are done accessing Intervo, you can log out and end your session by clicking on the Profile tab and End Session. That will bring you back to the AWS Access Portal, where you can access another location or completely end your connection to AWS by clicking on your name in the top right corner of the screen and select Sign Out. Thanks for watching, and if you need further information, please feel free to reach out to the Scheidenbachman USA Training Department. Thank you.